Hello student, in this video we will learn your topic linear equation in two variable exercise 4.3. You see the question number 7. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. Then draw the graph of the same. First, the given data or information you have to write a linear equation. Then you have to draw the graph of that linear equation. So first we will write the linear equation. Let the contribution of Yamini be rupees X and the contribution of Fatima be rupees Y. You see, together contribution how much? 100 rupees towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund. So as per information or as per question, together rupees X contributed by Yamini, rupees Y contributed by Fatima, they together contributed how much rupees? 100 rupees. So rupees in both you take common, rupees 100. So rupees is now in both sides, you can cancel. So your linear equation is x plus y is 100. X plus y equal 100. So x is equal 100 minus y. This y you take in right side. Now we will find out the coordinates of this equation. So taking y equals 0, we have x is equal 100 minus 0. 100 minus 0 is 100. So first coordinate we get x, y. When we take y 0, at a time x value we get 100. You find one more. Taking y is 100, then x equal how much? X equal 100 minus y. Y we take how much? 100. So 100 minus 100 is 0. So when we take y value 100 at a time, x getting how much? 0. Now these coordinates, x coordinates and y coordinates, will plot on a graph paper. So now you see in your graph paper you make like this, the Cartesian plane. This one x axis, this one is y axis. So I have taken here 1, 2, 3. In 3 small square I have taken 20 units. Next 1, 2, 3 unit small square I have taken 20 units in both axis, x axis and in y axis. So in your graph book you take 10 small square is you take 20 unit. Okay, in x axis and y axis you take 10 small square in your graph paper. So what are the coordinates we have? X 100, x coordinate 100, y coordinate is 0. So in x axis you see 100, this is the 100, and y 0. That means your point will be here. X 100, y 0. Then next coordinates are 0, 100. X0, that means here. Then y is 100. So in y-axis you see 100 here. X0, y is 100. So this is your point. 0, 100. This one is what? 100, 0. So now you join this point. So this is your graph of the equation x plus y is 100. So in this way you make the graph, you draw the graph. Okay. Let's see the next question number 8. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. So this is your linear equation. Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 into Celsius plus 32. So you have to use this linear equation to draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. So first you see this one. We'll solve now. Number 1. Your linear equation is Fahrenheit is 9/5 into C plus 32. Now we'll find out the coordinates. Taking Celsius 0. So Fahrenheit will be how much? Fahrenheit is 9/5 into Celsius we take 0 plus 32. 9/5 into 0 is 0 plus 32 is 32. So what we get? For x-axis you have to take Celsius. For y-axis you have to take Fahrenheit. Okay. When we take Celsius 0 at that time, Fahrenheit we get 32. Next, one more you have to find. Taking Celsius is minus 40. We have Fahrenheit 9/5 into Celsius. Celsius is minus 40 plus 32. We know 5 into 8. 5 into 8 is 40. That means 5 into minus 8 is minus 40. Now you see 9 into minus 8 is minus 72 plus 32. Let's see now. Before greatest term 72 we have minus. So take minus 72 minus 32 is 40. Before greatest term you have minus. So take minus. You do subtract. 72 minus 32 is 40. So when we take Celsius minus 40, at a time we get Fahrenheit from us. Fahrenheit also minus 40. So now we will plot this point on a graph board or graph paper. So now we will plot this point on a graph board. So you have to draw in your graph paper. Okay. You take. I have taken here in 2 small square. I have taken 8 unit. You take 5 small square. 5 small square. You take 8 unit. In both axis, y axis or in x axis, you take 5 small square is 8 unit. Okay. I have taken here 2. 2 small square is 8 unit. So now we will plot this. Celsius is 0. Fahrenheit 32. This is the x-axis is Celsius, okay? It represents Celsius. And y-axis represent Fahrenheit. So Celsius 0. So x-axis represents Celsius. So here this one 0. Fahrenheit is what? 32. So this is your point. 0, 32. Then Celsius is minus 40. In x-axis represents Celsius. So in x-axis you see minus 40. This one. Fahrenheit also minus 40. So y-axis represents Fahrenheit. So in y-axis minus 40. This one. So minus 40. This one also minus 40. Your point is this one minus 40 minus 40. So now you join this point. So this is your required graph of this question, of this linear equation. Let's see now number 2. If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So you write down the given equation first, then you write first 9 by 5. Celsius given how much? The temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Celsius is now 30 degree plus 32. 5 into 6, 30. 6 into 9, 54 plus 32. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. So when temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, at that time, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? The temperature in Fahrenheit is how much? 86 degree Fahrenheit. Let's see the same question number 8, number 3. If the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So first you write down the equation. So Fahrenheit, the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit given 95. 9 by 5c plus 32. 95, this 32 you take in left side. 9c by 5. 95 minus 32. 5 minus 3, sorry, 5 minus 2 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. By 9c by 5. So you do cross multiply. 9c into 1. This 63 has denominator 1. You do cross multiply. 9c into 1. 9c. 63 into 5. Therefore, c is 63 into 5 by 9. Now you see the common factor of both numerator and denominator. We check the common factor between this numerator and denominator. We know 97 is 63. That means in both 9 is common. 9 1 is 9, 7 9 is 63. So we can cancel. 9 7 is 63. So 7 into 5 how much? 35. The temperature What is the temperature in Celsius? The temperature in Celsius is 35 degree Celsius. So this is your answer. So this much for today. So we will meet you in the next video. Thank you.